This video will talk you through the suggested method for constructing and installing Maybe Hire's lightweight and flexible three-sided map box. To enable quick and easy assembly of the box sides, first lay timber skids on flat and level ground. Using the finger grips as a handling aid, place the aluminium panels on top of the skids, ensuring they interlock with one another. Once the panels are in place, fix the posts to both sides of the panel using post pins and R-clips. Use the top holes on each post to secure the lifting attachments. Attach chains to the red lifting attachments and lift the side to an upright position. Starting from the bottom, construct two other sides by inserting panels into the side posts and secure with pins and R-clips. Before inserting the top panel, detach lifting attachments, and once the top panel is positioned, replace the lifting attachments and secure with pins and R-clips and remove the chains. Add the final posts to the front edges and secure with pins. Insert telescopic struts to the fourth open side, ensuring both ends are equally extended or retracted to the required length. Finally, attach two more lifting attachments to the top of the posts. Excavate the trench to the required depth. To lift the map box, attach chains to the four red lifting attachments. Once secured, lift the map box and position into a pre-dug excavation. Immediately install edge protection to create as safe a working environment as possible in and around the trench, and then remove the chains. Be aware of possible ground pressures to the sides of the box. If resistance is met when lifting the assembled box, excavate the ground adjacent to the sides first. To remove the box, attach a four-legged lifting chain and then remove the edge protection. Ease the box out of the excavation, rocking it gently from side to side as necessary. Dismantling the box is the reverse of assembly. Once complete, all equipment should be cleaned and stacked ready for reuse or collection. This video is to be viewed in conjunction with the detailed written user guide, which is available to download from our website.